Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV and Burgwell Arms. And if your Hikvision CCTV DVR is making this really annoying beeping noise, then it could be the hard drive that has potentially gone a little bit faulty. So in this video, I'm going to run through some troubleshooting to see how we could potentially fix it. So one thing to check would be the recorder's power supply. When it's healthy, on this particular power supply, you would have a solid green light. I've known them before when they've gone a little bit faulty, is they start flashing. If it is faulty, the recorder won't be getting enough power and therefore the hard drive won't be able to run as effectively, and that would have caused that awful beeping noise. Also, again, just make sure that the power supply, all the leads are plugged in correctly, and on the back of the recorder, the power supply normally goes on one side. So we just need to make sure that it's plugged in correctly and the right lead is actually plugged in before. I've noticed that some other customers, when they've had issues, the wrong power supply is plugged into the recorder, and again, that's causing the fault. So first of all, I will connect a monitor or a TV to the DVR. Now you can connect it using either a VGA cable or a HDMI cable, and the ports are on the back of the recorder. Once you're into the system, you'll have the settings and it'll either be configuration or a picture of a cog, or it'll say system. If you select it, you want to be looking for record or storage. Once you're here, it'll say storage or storage device, and here it will display the hard drive, and this is showing that the capacity. So this is a 1 terabyte hard drive. There's two different options you can try first. So the first one is select the hard drive and you can press repair database. It can take some time depending on the size of the hard drive. So I'd press it, let it repair, and then come back to it later to see if it has made a difference. And what you want to be looking for is that the status needs to be rewrite, or it'll say normal. You don't want it saying abnormal. Failing that, you could select the hard drive and press initialise. This will wipe the hard drive back to its factory settings, and again, sometimes this can solve the problem. Failing that, we'll need to open up the DVR. So on the DVR, there are these small screws that we need to take out. So once you've taken all the screws out, you should just be able to peel back the lid of the DVR. Now, this is the hard drive, and in the hard drive, you have two cables that are plugged into it. This one is the power lead, and then this is the data lead. So what I would do is either end, I would unplug it and then push it back in again, just to make sure that it's plugged in correctly. Also, what you could do if it's still not working is actually replace these leads. They're really easy to get hold of. But if you've got a faulty cable, either one, then again, you'll be having issues with your hard drive. So I hope you found this video useful. We're based in Leeds, we cover Yorkshire. If you have any issues with your existing CCTV system or looking to get it fixed, repaired, upgraded, give us a call. I'm sure we'll be able to help you. If you are further afield, again, we'll be able to speak to Hikvision and see if there's a local installer near you that we could put you in touch with. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for watching this video. We are going to be filming plenty more. Remember to like and subscribe.